We are the Girl Scout Bat Savers of New Jersey 40861. My name is Mackenzie.
And my name is Angela. We are called the Bat Savers because our Silver Road project, we are making bat houses. And you can too. Why are bats in danger and how can we help them?
We made these bat houses because bats are becoming extinct by the year. There are many causes as to why bats are dying. One cause is that humans disrupt the hibernation and cause damage to the bat and their homes. Another reason why is disease. In North America, some bats are diagnosed with white nose syndrome. The white nose syndrome is a fungus that has killed more than 6 million bats.
We help the bats, though, by making them a new home for them to stay in and be safe. You can help them too by making bat houses. Jersey are the little brown bat, the big brown bat, the eastern small-footed myotis, the Indiana bat, the hoary bat, the eastern red bat, and the silver-haired bat.
What is a bat house, you may ask?
Well, you're in luck because we have a bat house here for you. So this is what a finished bat house looks like. It is topped with a roof, and that's the roof. And it has two boards here. One of them is small, one of them is large. Now, they have lines on the inside so the bats can climb up it. The reason it's such a dark color in the inside is because bats sleep in like small spaces. And how does a bat get up here? How does a bat get up here, you ask? Well, this is how. So the bat flies up, flies through the thing, and it like stays there. And it sleeps there. And that's bat house. And however,
how to hold it up against something. Here's the back.
This is the back. And the way it works is you put one of these, it's called the bottom. This is the bottom of the French cleat, and you put it down and you go like that. And this gets put on top of it, and you nail this to like whatever you want it to. So you would nail it against this or whatever you want, and then you would put it, and it would stay in place, and then you would hook that on there, like that. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you learn more about bats so you can use this knowledge to help bats.
There will be additional info in the description box down below. Thank you.
Being recorded. Okay. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you learned more about bats so you can use this knowledge to help bats, like making bat houses.
These will...
There! It's there! There will be additional info. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you learned more about bats so you can use this knowledge to help bats. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you learn more about bats so you can use this knowledge to help bats.
I thought you were gonna do more!
I'm gonna stop.